I wonder where Liz is.
There, all set.
Liz?
Hey Liz, what's with the backpack?
Well, you said you wanted us to do something fun for the weekends, and I've got my backpack because how about we go camping?
Squeak 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 squeak.
I'm with Chica, and there's a great place we can camp at. It's called Sprout Mountain.
Sean, which way is Sprout Mountain?
Well, everyone, come outside, grab your backpacks, and follow me.
Isn't this exciting, everyone? We are going camping.
Yeah, just think of all the things we'll see. Birds and bees, rocks and trees.
Yup, and we might even snap some pictures.
And we'll put up a tent when we're tired.
Yodel-a-hee-hoo.
Squeak squeak squeak.
Hi everyone, enjoy your day.
Ooh, that's a mountain goat.
Cool.
I know, right? Well, come on, let's keep going.
Bye, it was nice knowing you.
Hey everyone.
Who was that now?
Now that's an evergreen pine tree.
That's right, and I'm here to tell you that you have just arrived at your campsite.
I've noticed.
Yeah, and come on everyone, let's get everything settled. Well everyone, now that we're all around the campfire and it's getting late, what should we do now?
Squeak 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 squeak.
Ooh, that's a great idea, Chica.
Hey everyone, I have a great idea. When we're done toasting our marshmallows, we can make s'mores, you know, those things made out of graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows.
That's a great idea, Danisha. And while we wait for our marshmallows to burn, let's play the campfire story game. Okay, I'll start. Once upon a time, there were a boy and girl who went off on a quest to find their long-lost friend. So they started by walking, and
They climbed up the candy cane mountains, past graham cracker bridges, and finally they found their friend.
They found their friend had turned into a robot, and so he led them to another magical town.
It turned out that the bird people needed their town to be clean, so the boy, the girl, and the robot used everything they could, like sponges, to clean up the town and its buildings.
Squeak 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 squeak. Squeak 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 squeak. Squeak 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 squeak. Squeak squeak.
Was a great story.
Yep, and I think our marshmallows are burnt, so now is the perfect time to have some s'mores.
Wow, these are so delicious.
Oh Danisha, you can say that again. Okay everyone, we're going to go to sleep now.
Squeak squeak squeak, squeak squeak squeak.
Me neither.
Well, maybe watching the Super Music Friends show can help.
The Super Music Friends show? Oh boy.
Out in nature under the sun is how I like to spend all my days. Looking at the leaves, looking at the trees, and watching all the animals play. Nature, the air is clean, the earth and the water is deep, and the air is home to me and you to care for it and share with it. High upon the mountains, deep within the lake, underneath the ground with the gophers and the snakes. Out in nature is where I wanna be, underneath the stars in the sky. Nature, the air is clean, the earth and the water's deep, and the air is home to me and you to care for it and share with it. Oh, 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 nature, nature. Oh, oh, yeah, underneath the stars. Out in nature, under the sun, is how I like to spend all my days. Looking at the leaves, looking at the trees, and watching all the animals play. Nature, the air is clean, the earth and the water's deep and blue. Air is home to me and you to care for it and share with it.
Come on Liz, it's time to go home.
Well, mind if I stay here a little longer by myself?
Okay, but it'd be more fun if you came along.
Hey, mind if I take you home?
Who said that?
Me. Hi Liz, I'm Lindsay, goddess of the skies. Mind if you fly with me and I take you back to Sprout Farm?
Oh sure, I can make new friends. So I have some friends named Chica, Kelly, Sean, and Tanisha, and we were camping on Sprout Mountain last night, and I decided to stay here while they left, and that's how I found you.
Wow, that's so cool.
Hey Liz, who's this?
Everyone, this is Lindsay, the goddess of the skies, and she invited me to have a ride on her back to get back home.
That's right, and everyone, I heard you went camping out in the wild, so I give you these nature badges.